Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect guest user to my account page when guest user click on checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So we are going to add custom code. So scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to redirect guest user to my account page when guest user click on checkout page. Now you see permalink WooCommerce my account page ID. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting. So open it and then you see advanced tab. So again click on it. Now scroll down, you see cart page, checkout page, my account page. Now you see we selected my account page from drop down. So you can select page from here and then click on save setting, and then on left side you see setting and then you see permalinks. So click on it. Now permalink settings open and scroll down, just click on save changes. Now open website again. Now open. Now go to shop page. Now you see shop product and then you see ceramic bird. So click on add to cart. So we are adding only one product. And then you see view cart. So click on it. So currently we are guest user. Now you see cart total. So we have one product, ceramic bird, and then you see proceed to checkout. So click on it. Now you see proceed to checkout button, redirect to my account page. On my account page, now you see login or register. So you can register or login according to your requirement. Now we are going to add username and password. So we added username and password and then click on login. So click on it. Now you see login button, redirect to checkout page. Now scroll down, you see your order, ceramic bird 1. So as a guest user, we added one product in cart page, and when we click on proceed to checkout, redirect to my account page, and after login, now you see checkout page and also you see product. So in this way you can redirect guest user to my account page when click on checkout page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.